Hey guys, just doing a quick video here on a sander camera. I got this camera from camerasource.com, and it comes with a nice mount and like a little cover, and this is the heated option, but this you can get it non-heated. But what's nice about this camera is this is a 2015 F350, and you can plug it right into the tailgate plug in the existing truck right there. See, it plugs right into the Ford connector, so you don't have to run wires all the way to the cab. We just wrap, you can get different lengths too. I got 10 feet, I think. You can get up to 30 for the wiring. But yeah, this will work with any sander. We have it on our Boss VBX 6500, but it works great and it has great quality. Here, I'll show you real quick what it looks like. So here in the truck, it'll show up right in the center too. You don't need to add any screen or anything. Look at that, beautiful. That way you don't back into anything with your sander. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.